aggravate the flooding issues that we've already seen in northern Iowa. That's why we have a flood watch that remains in effect for areas along and north of Highway 20 to the Minnesota border until 1 p.m. this afternoon. Fort Dodge, Webster City, Iowa Falls, and Algona included in that until 1 p.m. later on today. You can see the rainfall amounts, the radar estimated totals that we've had over the last few days, and it's just been absurdly impressive here to get this amount of rain from just thunderstorms, not a tropical system, thunderstorm complexes, but when you have an incredible warmth in the atmosphere and an incredible amount of moisture, this is what can result here. So the flooding issues are still ongoing in northern Iowa. We have flash flood warnings that are in effect for the counties shaded in red. Most of the storms have missed the Des Moines metro area. Maybe a few showers will swing through in the next couple of hours, but the flash flood warnings remain in effect for places like Palo Alto County for another few minutes, Humboldt, Kossuth, and Pocahontas counties until 6:30, and then east toward Hancock and Cerro Gordo counties through 8 o'clock this morning. But you can see the bulk of the heavy rainfall, at least from the overnight hours, is starting to move out of the flood-prone regions. We're still not done with this storm system. Area of surface low pressure is still out in the central Nebraska, and as that moves east and begins to interact with the moisture and instability that we have in place, severe storms are likely going to redevelop this afternoon after 1 p.m. through 8 p.m. tonight, and damaging winds, large hail. We can't even rule out the potential for a few isolated tornadoes in some of these storms. So we'll get rid of that morning storm complex. The atmosphere starts to destabilize once again, and then we'll watch as early as 1 to 2 p.m. up in our northwestern counties for thunderstorm development. If we see any tornadic storms today, the potential for an isolated tornado will likely be closer to the Highway 20 corridor, because that is where we'll have a little bit of wind shear near that surface low pressure. But as storms develop along and southwest of that line, you can see this is by 5 p.m. much lower tornado threat farther down to the south and west, just more of a heavy rain and damaging wind threat. And you can see by 7, 8, 9 p.m. this evening, those storms exit the I-35 corridor and push into southeast Iowa, and then we'll ultimately have a clear overnight. Additional rainfall amounts will range anywhere between a ½ an inch to an inch around and east of the Des Moines metro, 1 to 2 inches up to the north, even heavier amounts up to the north and east. And again, any additional rainfall in this area will aggravate the potential for flash flooding. 8-day forecast has us in the upper 80s, drier tomorrow before the heat roars back coming up Monday and Tuesday. That will come with a lot of humidity as well. So those heat indices Monday and Tuesday will be in the triple digits. That will lead to more thunderstorms ahead of another cold front Monday night and a Tuesday as well. We'll have to watch for the potential of some severe weather with that. But then we finally get a push of drier and cooler air. Temperatures back in the 80s with overnight lows in the 60s by next Thursday.
Get caught up on local news